To use extend unlock on Honor 600, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter biometrics and password right here, and then we can go into extended unlock. After entering it, you will need to unlock your device, and then there's three options that you can use. First one is on body detection. So if you activate it, when your phone detects that you're currently have it in your pocket or just with yourself, then it will never lock down. You'll be able to swipe to unlock it. Then there's options for trusted places. If you activate this, you'll be able to tap right here and then select a specific area on the map where your phone will also remain always unlocked. Then there's trusted devices. If there's specific device connected to your phone will also stay unlocked. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.